Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, students. How are you? I'm fine. I hope that you also you will be fine. Students, you know that any language is a source and tool for communication, but English is a very big problem for mediocre students because they face a lot of complications and problems in their studies, in daily communication with other people, or when they want to quit this country. They face a lot of problems, and in their further studies, they also face a lot of hurdles in researchers in university education. They face a lot of complications. So, as I told you, that any kind of language, any type of language, or any language of the world is a tool and source of communication. And if we talk about English language, then we can say that it is not very difficult language because we have seen or we see daily so many movies on YouTube, and most of the students, they do get nothing. They don't get satisfaction after watching those video clips because most of the movies, they don't solve their problem. Here I have few suggestions for those students, those who watch those videos, but they don't get satisfied after watching those videos to improve their reading, writing, listening, or speaking English. So we have to keep in our mind a few ingredients of spoken English, and we start from simple to difficult. Because if we put our efforts in difficulty, then again we will feel ourselves on zero. Number one, students, you have to improve your ideas, that you have ideas in your mind. Number two, vocabulary. It should be very simple. If you have vocabulary, if you have ideas, and then little bit command over grammar, or command over tenses. If you understand, if you learn about simple past or perfect or continuous or future tenses, then it may help you. And then sentence structure, that the use of subject, verb, object, that how to make a sentence and how to use that sentence. And last one is environment. If you have come to know that you cannot speak English, then definitely there will be other your students, other your class fellows, other your friends, those who cannot speak English. Sit with them for 3 minutes and try to speak with them in very simple words and simple vocabulary. As I've told you, that go from simple to difficult words, then you will see that you have improved a lot. Think in English and then try to write in English. Think in English and then try to speak in English. Try to speak with your class fellows. If you're a teacher, but not teacher of English, but you want to improve your English, you want to speak English, then speak or communicate in simple English words, in simple sentences of daily use with your colleagues in a society or in your gatherings. And the main thing is the improvement of your environment. Improve your environment, and you will see that if you will improve this habit to think in English and then write in English or speak in English, and broken words and with simple vocabulary, then within few days you will improve a change. You will see an improvement in yourself, and this is very good idea which I have shared with you. That have ideas, observe different things, and bring ideas in your mind, and learn small and simple words of vocabulary. Then daily read at least one tense, and then utilize those ideas, those learned vocabulary words with your friends. And if you don't have friends, then for a few minutes, talk with yourself and read by yourself, speak by yourself, and then write sentences, and let those sentences be checked by your any friend or by your teacher, and create environment for few words with your friends. Then inshallah you will see that you will be good English speaker within few days. Thank you very much.